Neches River in Beaumont, and it's kind of sunset. Man, the water's super high. We have these big old blobs of sod or whatever it is, like this thing right here that's not really coming into focus. But it's like these big old blobs of sod or something just floating along the river here. This thing is moving. I mean, seriously, look at how fast the water's going. It is booking along here. This water's really high. We're going to go down to my left here. We're going to go down most likely way down over here.